What I'm going to be showcasing in this video is a hair tutorial that I did on my little girl. For Christmas, I decided we're gonna all be in pajamas, and because I was going to be blonde, somebody had to have blue hair. So I decided my daughter was going to have blue hair. She does have a short cut, tapered look, so I had to create some form of a base where I can actually put the crochet braids on. So usually people think if you have short hair you can't really do anything with it, so I'm going to show you guys how I am doing this. I actually didn't want to record this, but I'm going to record it anyways just for the purposes of recording. So she has a really low fade. Boom! She has a really pretty haircut, but the top I put rubber bands, like regular, if you can see that. I put them in little balls and I did little rubber bands or whatever. I'm gonna zoom in there. Put a rubber band on each one, and now I'm using these string. I'm using this type of string. This is like an African threading string thing, and it pulls and it's rubbery and it's really it's shiny, so it doesn't actually like break the hair at all. So it doesn't tag onto your hair or anything like that. So I'm using this to now string along. So if you see, these ones are already strung. I'm going to cut these off, but I tied it here and then just kind of strung it along or whatever. So I'm actually just, that's going to be my base to actually put the crochets on. So I'm done stringing or whatever. It's like a hot mess right now, so I'm going to cut off the excess strings. So we're going to use this hair and their full locks. And it's blue, so we're going to do blue hair.
Favorite color.
Please put your hand down. This is what the strings look like now. I've completely cut out all the excess, so this is what we're working with. Yeah, you got to stay steady, please. Thank you. So this is the final product. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, and share it, of course, and don't forget to subscribe.